Hey YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff, and this is the cinematic on-foot look at the Grant Taylor AntiHero skateboarding Nike SB collab. Wow, that was a mouthful. Anyway, let's go look. YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and if you're new to this channel, we tend to do sneaker unboxings. We do these little cinematic on-foot looks at the sneakers that we buy, and also on Sundays we tend to stream. That would be Sneaker Streaming Sundays, and if you've not caught that, it's at 12 PM Pacific, 3 PM Eastern, and of course, if you're in the UK, everybody, that would be 8 o'clock. But if you don't want to hear about that, what you want to hear about is the shoe that you've just seen. And I have to say that this is an absolutely stunning, exquisite example of a blazer. I think the choice of materials, this beautiful grey leather, which is on a par, everybody, with the deconstructed. It's that nice. The nap of it is beautiful. It is absolutely stunning. One thing that I didn't say is actually that the inner sole, SJ over there on Sneaker Cam, is actually Brian Anderson designed as well. It's one of his artworks, which we didn't call out when we did the unboxing for these. You know, obviously, of the two shoes in the, actually, come here, camera two, come here. Of the two shoes that are in the AntiHero skateboarding Nike SB collab, even though everyone knows that I'm all about the dunk, actually, I think the blazer's the better shoe. I think it's stronger. I love the materials. I love the look. This grey works so well with so much stuff. And for once, and normally obviously you'd see gum soles, black soles, whatever. This strange off-white, this strange grey sole is absolutely spot on for these. It is an absolutely exquisite shoe. Let me know, everybody, what do you think? The dunk or the blazer? You all know I'm normally a dunk man, but I'm calling the blazers on this. What do you think? Do you think the blazer's a stronger shoe, or do you think the dunk is a stronger shoe? Let us know. Have you picked them up? Have you tried them out? What do you think? Because without you, of course. You know, it's great us doing these videos, but I love the interaction, and you know, I really look forward to the comments that we get, and we do answer just about everyone, I hope. So if you've made it this far in the video and you've not subscribed by now, A, thanks for watching. B, if you want to keep up with these sort of things, subscribe. It's just down here. And if you really want to be part of the notification squad, you might want to slap that, because YouTube has got its own uncanny way of not telling anybody who subscribes when we upload videos. But that's just why the notification bell's there. And so have a go at that, and we'll see you on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and of course, streaming sneaker Sundays. Until next time, people, I'll catch you in the next video. Is that all right?